Welcome to the Jollof edition of Aside Hot. As we do every Friday on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. We dey carry all the action and ogbonge topic when we discuss for the week. Put inside one pot, come give everybody long spoon to chook inside and talk up the thing as he beat them for body. We get Oga Chile from Rivers and he go call to chook man for inside this matter. Oga Chile, good morning, sir.
Oga Chile.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to check them out for the matter with they on board.
Okay.
You see, yesterday we were talking about people to probe and those not to probe. You see, the problem we are having is that many Nigerians, they don't know that election campaign has finished. And now that it is government in progress, we need to work, the government and the people. I had one of our colleagues that we are calling from Amsterdam, I think Bobby or somehow. He was talking, trying to support Buhari to probe only the Jonathan administration. And I come to say, look, we are not being political here. These politicians has been dealing with the Nigerian masses for a very long time. That now that we have gotten somebody who God have sent to do something in Nigeria, we should back Buhari and make him to understand that it is not only the Jonathan administration that has kept this country like this. That he has to, from Jonathan, he has to go down till Obasanjo, till even some of the military leaders that ruled us. Okay, we are talking about the military that we are not able to fight Boko Haram because they don't have weapons. And we are asking, where were all the security votes? Where were all the monies? Where this military that do not have weapons to fight, did it start in 2002, 2003, 2004? It started from 1970s. Those people that has made this country to be where it is now, let us ask them questions. It doesn't matter whether it is from Jonathan. It doesn't matter whether it is Obasanjo. It doesn't matter whether it is Shehu Shagari. As long as we know that something really went bad, let us support Buhari, ask him and tell him that, no, you do not need to start here. You do not need to probe only these people. You can start from this last administration and go down, probe everybody. Let's know exactly what happens to Nigeria so that other people that is coming, they will be afraid to steal money from the Nigerian coffers. That is what we are saying. So please let us not be political, because I am seeing a lot of people that are saying things here against this probing other past ones. They are, if you watch them, you see that they are just merely APC people. They just have something against the past government.
Oga Chile, thank you very, very much. The issue for us, and I say, it is very important, but we dey talk and say, even though we get people who get different opinions, but we dey accommodate everyone because, as I talk before, freedom of information and freedom of expression, all of us get them and our right. We go take Oga Oke, when you don't take two from Calabar. Oga Oke, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chokode.
Good morning, Oga Oke.
Oga Oke, welcome back.
Thank you. I believe so at the time where all Nigeria will come together, kill that goat and do pepper soup for you and then COVID. That goat will not be one kill, do pepper soup for us. It's time for us to do it for you people. I just joined the program now. Let me just contribute a bit. I just picked small expo from Oga Victor with first call.
Okay.
Concerning the Proverb 18, for you to be successful and also be open to people, you must keep sentiment aside.
Okay.
If Oga Buhari truly want to work and fight this corruption, charity must be in our home. He must probe all these party members, all those people waiting to say they had no claim, skeleton in their cupboard. He must also let them know say, una the whole Nigerian cake also. They could come out and come. They could use and do better thing for Nigeria. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Oga Oke. Thank you for that that summary of your own talk inside this matter. Yes, back to waiting Oga Chile be the talk. We will also need to state the fact. Say yes, everybody just as they talk, they entitled to their own opinion. True. You understand? True. And you know, what if we stay up? If now Oga Bobby really talk that thing, the fact say the government in quote talk say they go probe that particular outgone government. So now waiting a lot of people they follow. You understand? Maybe we'll collect this call from Captain. Captain, they call us from Mina. Good morning, Captain. Captain, good morning.
Call the captain with respect to, if he be say no be class captain, call the captain. Military background. Military background, captain.
Oga Captain, good morning.
The air captain now, you see captain, you just call her captain. Captain, you know go call captain with respect. You know go call captain with respect.
Captain dey in different levels now.
No be class captain, oh, no be
other levels of
no be captain of club, oh. This one a captain. Captain.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All correct, captain. All correct.
Yes, now you do a very nice job.
Thank you very much.
Work. The issue of probe for this country, we should not use sentiments to live reality. Now, when Abacha died, up to date, they see the probe in family. Is it the only the yellow head of state? Are there any government comes say, no, you don't do. Why no probe Obasanjo? When late year I was on board, they say make it probe Obasanjo. Anybody who gets fat, make it present them. That is what he said. If you hand over to me, I'll probe your administration how you manage the government. That which is normal thing.
Yes.
So now, issue of governor, if the state will fight the case, say, this is our governor chop on you, or your EFCC take. Federal government will not transfer, it will not interfere in state affairs, except if the state cry out to say, I need your help to EFCC. So, federal government, all the ministers, all these things, whether to go these things, it's left for the state to fight the case or against Alechi or Tinubu. Then from there, they follow it. If EFCC fail to follow it up, then from there, they say they bias. So what I'm saying, let's not use sentiment or as you don't promote me for government, you go see your own do, you promote that side. How the country will move forward. So it's the right of the state to fight case against any governor, not the federal government.
Exactly.
So federal government will only interfere for the report of federal level. That is where we tackle. So when the Buhari is somebody who denies his wife not to use presidential jet to her own private business in Dubai, then how do you think about that person? So the man is very sincere. Make the state file the court. Anybody when he has case against Abenti, let him file it and invite EFCC to interfere. If EFCC fails to interfere, that is where we say the government is biased. So that's what I have for you guys.
Thank you very much.
Captain, thank you very, very much. And I stand at attention for that.
Which attention you dey stand? You dey bring out chest. Now so that they do captain, you dey bring out chest. Now wrestling that they fight for here. People wey get military background say we never even do. You dey bring out chest, say captain.
Raphael, they call us from Suleja. Good morning, Raphael.
Don't call me. Don't call me.
Raphael, good morning. Raphael, you there? Hello?
Oga Raphael.
I beg, try call us back, Raphael.
We don't lose the call.
So, Chukudi, before I go even talk, mind yourself. Waiting be that now. A great captain, what is your problem?
But why you go to bring out chest?
How they take greet people?
Man o war different from Mopo. Even though I am study too. Man o war, Mopo. They're different. Not be because you want great captain, they bring out chest. Now chest they use the great captain. Make we even analyze what captain don't talk. Captain talk well. Now why me I go even the advocate say make everybody for this country they get military background because with the talk when he talk now from experience now he take bring am. First and foremost make we keep sentiment aside. If Nigeria better now all of us the country better for. So the one when people they talk say make we leave this one, make we leave that one. Oga President don't enter the office. And from the paper when they give am, he don see say he be like say things no join. Make una come explain the way when the things dey. And remember say for interview inter Christian Amanpo say anybody when corrupt no go fit escape the law even though dem dey in party. So make we calm down. He also talk about fact. If you get any fact say person don chook hand inside government money chop am, na time for us to arrange the thing for paper, send am go give EFCC make dem take the necessary action. And if this country better, e don better for all of us.
And apart from that sef, make we also look at this way. Every state get their own way of this thing. They get their own way of running the affairs of the state. Okay, if you know say your past governor be steal money, nothing stops you from raising the issue and forwarding it to waiting EFCC will be the anti-corruption body. Make them do it, make them follow up and down, do their own investigation so that they go through, ask questions, find out facts and say, okay, true, this person do it and this person carry money. They would know what they will do about that. Austin, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Austin.
Mukubi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Ezugo Chukudi, my brother, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Austin.
Chukudi, I take God beg Unamekuna tell these people ready for our government now. Person when in house they born, no they pursue rat. This one when they talk, say person steal money, they won't probe this one, they talk, say they appoint this one. They just they roll around it. Since they start this election campaign, then they shout change. Does it mean say they don't prepare the change down before they enter there? Now they want to start to prepare to do change. They never know what they want to reach now. I bet people they suffer for Nigeria. When they talk about to go probe past government, people never chop the food for the election with the vote big person enter. Now they talk saying they begin the probe. Now they talk too many things we don't even concern the ordinary masses of Nigeria.
Augustine.
Yeah.
Augustine, no, may I ask am?
Okay.
Augustine, you don't talk say people they suffer for this country and people never chop. And this one are because of mismanagement. That is, people when the government, irrespective of party now, people when the government, they don't chop this country money, don't chop am, e don red, and things don dey red for us. Now you think say if you want change the whole thing, you no go need time to change am. You know things say since May 29 to August 7, e dey very very short. Considering say things don dey spoil since, e dey very short to just do abracadabra and make things change.
They enter there, they're supposed, they're not prepared. You get military background now, so now when you reach war, now you just not prepare for war.
God no go let us see war, but continue.
So thank God, thank you very much. So I believe that the government will come now, don't prepare well before them come.
Thank you very much, Oga Austin.
So no
Thank
problem.
you.
God bless you now. I love you now. That's why I'm calling.
Thank you very much. And Oga Prince, they call us from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Prince. Prince, good morning.
Morning, how you doing, Kubi?
I'm fine.
Tukode, how are you?
Good morning, Oga Prince.
Yes, I want to matter for yesterday issue.
Carry on.
Tukode, I want to advise you to make you try go take it and go carry that man, go to Sakia, make they take and well.
Oga Prince, you don't find trouble.
Would they beg you, I beg? We not go to accept that
that is a mission impossible, part 3. You know, if you send person that kind of message. And we know say you get your own talk and you want talk about it. We dey talk about
it. Okay, you see they making.
But make we talk. No, make I talk this one finish, Oga Prince.
No,
Oga Prince, make I talk this one finish. I go talk this one finish. No.
Chukwudi, hold on, make we just hear Oga Prince.
E good make we talk and finish before people wey get power pass us.
My thing why they talk be say Oga Buhari go do wetin want do. Nobody go tell am wetin go do. Na him be the president. And one question why they ask say. People where they talk say Obasanjo regime no dey good, in thief money, in do this. Why waiting make when good luck enter? Why no probe Obasanjo?
Oga Prince.
When President Jonathan enter, why no probe Obasanjo?
Maybe because he no fair to do. If he fair to do,
President Buhari will probe person when want to probe. So make no person there. No. Thing where we say every time they talk Amechi. What of it all the name? Where carry our money go build refinery outside? When Theodore where be former governor for Abia State, when no be different one role for his state. Waiting the way that not remember that person. Why do you all the time? No only
Oga Prince.
Not the mention.
Oga Prince, you hear me?
Former governor for Rivers State to make you pro Peter Odele. Why you go to make you pro? What of Peter Odele?
Oga Prince, thank you very much. We don't get your point. we don't get your point, but in as much as you dey try express your own opinion on this thing, there are certain things wey we go also need to kick against. And the thing be say, one, you go need to wait and get your facts clear before you go say you dey chook mouth for this thing. And the issue wey be say, as you take start your talk, come talk say oga Fayose make dem carry and go this thing. We no go accept that kind of word there because here because of say we give people opinion. I mean, right to talk. No mean say make them talk pass the level wey they supposed to talk. Because you get limit to supposed to talk.
Very true.
So that is just what it is.
But then again, him been talk say this person and that person. The question wey they ask be say, if one person chop and the other person chop, make all of them wey chop our money return our money and make them carry the punishment for the chop when they chop. Oga Bakare from Oshogbo. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Bakare.
Good morning, Chukwudio.
Good morning.
Ukubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Wasobia, good morning. No?
Good morning. We greet you.
Okay. The first thing I want to talk, brother, on the security matter and the statement where those big chiefs within the talk.
Okay.
The NSA self don't have in hold now. If Kenamane talk say they were underfunded and it's been supported or corroborated by Alex Bado, and from the report where they emanate again, the NSA, that is Dasuki, don't they make the same statement in the same direction? This raises a very big question. It still boils down to the issue of corruption. You know, say the money where they budget for security in this country, they're very close to trillion. Now, maybe if they are equipped, if the money not be good to the right way it's supposed to go. Another thing I want to say, these people where they talk, they never press them at all. They just talk this thing out of their own volition. Then we say these people, three people, may they call them very well, may they now press them. Further information will emanate from them. We can help us to know where the money they go instead of being used properly. So that we go fit restructure our security the way it's supposed to be. Because any country, people will not be capable of provide adequate security for citizens. It's not a good country. In fact, you know they're suffering. That is number one. Number two is the issue of probe. I want to advise Oga Buhari, you can probe anything where they're probable.
Yes.
But the remake in the juice, in the coconut juice, in the coconut, what are they follow me? The remake in the coconut now, the Jonathan administration. Because if somebody they hand over to you, you get the note where the person they hand over. So you go feel talk properly on that. And make this thing serve as a lesson to any person. If they collect leadership from anybody, you're supposed to check the record of that person. Not be which hunting at all, not the normal thing to do. I don't say corruption, you cannot do it in isolation, a network. Anybody will do corruption now, the time when they do them, somebody encourage them.
True.
You give somebody some amount of money. I think they pull one person, you go they pull many other people. So that at least not be say which hunting or targeting. They can start with the immediate past administration and make it serve as a standard to any other person. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Oga Bakare.
Oga Bakare, you don't talk finish for inside this matter. Make we take Oga Gabriel all the way from Katsina. Oga Gabriel, good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Gabriel.
Good morning, Uncle B. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, Chukwudi. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Gabriel. We throw a salute give you.
Yeah, I'm calling from Katsina, the president state.
Okay.
Well, I know, say, me, I dey call from the president state.
Okay.
Which means I will give you every details here.
Correct.
Okay.
You see, this matter of probing, where Buhari saying one probe, I see say, na abracadabra, the man won't do. No be real probe.
That is, you don't believe him, oh.
Well, I know, we know, Nigerians don't even believe him. Where even commit himself, he say na only past administration where he go probe. Now where he don't go catch himself. It means all those thieves we don't thief for the other administration, they don't dey free with that. If you say you want catch thief, you better catch all. If he is ready to probe, let him go from the past administration, not just Jonathan administration. Make him go start from Babangida the court. If he knows say no fit probe, make him just keep in hand where he is. Nigerians are not fools. We no be fool again. Nigeria now, no be 30 years back where Buhari dey for government. The Nigeria where Buhari come meet now, they different. Make him know that one. And make him not forget all the promises where he promised us.
Yes.
During his campaign, he said he's going to make $1, $1. We are still putting hope for that too.
No wahala, Oga Gabriel. All the talk where you don't talk, we don't gather them, and we believe say the full Nigeria don't hear them, and then go take the necessary action. Quickly, we go rush enter market for this very important break because all the people when on call, they support me from Monday to Thursday on top of this Friday. Or not they make Unkubi eye they shift. When we go the break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it dey hot. See your eye now. Your eye no normal. Welcome back to As It Dey Hot on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside Obodo the world. Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this, and at the Ogbonge program when we say they carry all the talk where they come on smoke inside Nigerian politic arrangement. They speak am for the language when we say everybody understand. So everybody go get the opportunity to chook mouth for inside the matter. And those where the matter concern go carry out the necessary action to make our country better. Ezugu Chukwu, the Anunku be there inside studio. And we dey look all the Ogbonge Tori when we discuss this week. From Monday where we tear nylon, come out on top of all the action wey happen inside Nigerian politics for weekend, come settle on top of the invitation when EFC throw go give the judge wey write letter talk say Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola of Osun State say somehow monkey hand dey inside the money wey he collect from federal government. To wetin we discuss on Tuesday about Alex Bade, former chief of defence staff, when talk say the last time we buy jet na 1981 and the last time we buy any weapon na 2006. So therefore, hunter wey carry catapult better pass our soldier dem because our soldier dem nothing when they take the fight Boko Haram. On Wednesday, we look the new appointment for NNPC and the advice wey we carry give the oga sake of how go take pursue corruption before wetin Ayo Fayose talk on Thursday. Say make Oga Presido probe everybody. The probe must go round to avoid selective probing. Now wetin we discuss Monday to Thursday and today we dey take all the calls. Why you dey look like person wey wan sleep by this time of the morning? Oga Lawal from Osogbo, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chikwudi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Lawal.
Good morning, Chikwudi. Good morning.
Allow and greet you first before you take the greeting from the mouth now.
Will they hear you, Jare? Talk to us.
Greeting they give you blood. Good morning, Oga Lawal. Will they hear you?
Good morning. Well, I say I want to mouth on this matter.
Okay, will they hear you?
Especially on the issue of the probe or no probe.
Okay.
Now, with me, I want to talk about Bakari from Osogbo Doctor and finish. Just to perfect the matter. I must confess to you, with waiting this Oga Buhari, Baba Buhari in the issue of the probe or no probe, that's what in the here now. Different from the issue of the corruption. When I allow people to work now, that you could supposed to be realize one thing. Now, corruption is talk. But this time I had my probe. When I allow this man to work, he is supposed to start from somewhere. On the matter where they happen for this nation, beyond the reasonable doubt that legal that we have in this country. And then if this man not tackle this issue of corruption with probe, we should expect nothing from this administration. On the matter which pound or no which pound, I must confess to you, work based on what is on the table. That's the first thing to do. And then in the process of investigation or process of interrogation of those people they call, if they see that they need to invite past administration also, maybe from
Thank you very much, Oga Lawal. Your own don't declare. Say make him start from somewhere so that we go continue for the investigation. We believe, say, as Oga President talk, say nobody go escape am even though they're in party. As him talk am, now so it go be. Make we take Ochuko. He don't call us back from Ilorin. Ochuko, good morning, sir.
Good morning, no.
Good morning, Ochuko. Yes.
Nkodu.
Good morning.
And Chukwudi.
Good morning, sir.
I like una style. Mokuna they trust each other, the two of you.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
Then waiting I want talk be say this country don't rotten past the thing when we go take care of within 3 years. First of all, make I say something. The youth of this country, now they're supposed to talk of betterment for their life. Make them not even chook mouth to inside corruption. no employment, no nothing, no job. If the country is right, there will be job. Yam when you want chop, when you don't roti, you go cut and straight on, you go redecide when better before you begin to cook to eat them. General Buhari, make them live and make him doing work. I trust President Buhari say he go deal with APC members when they corrupt. You know, he not there for anybody. Don't take and say it's for nobody, it's for everybody.
Yes.
So make them give us space.
Correct. Thank you very much, Oga Ochukwu. That space when we say you talk, say make them give am. We dey very sure say everybody go give am and he go do the work well so that Nigeria go better. On top of us, the hot, we dey tell am say Nigeria and our country e no go spoil. We believe say as we don put am there to represent us, he go do him work well. Time don reach for us to give una space. Lock our shop, Congo. Make una continue to dey watch Wazobia TV until we come back again on Monday with all the action things wey happen inside Nigeria political arrangement for weekend. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi.
Which shop?
Tell them your name and bye-bye.
As
you dey all go the shop.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.